It's been a whirlwind week for Pixel leaks, and they keep coming. After earlier leaks today of promo videos for the Pixel 9 series and official cases for the Pixel 9 Pro and Pixel 9 Pro XL, we now have leaks of the standard Pixel 9 in all its available colors. This comes after a similar leak yesterday, which showcased all the colors of the Pixel 9 Pro. The Pixel 9 will be available in Obsidian, Porcelain, Rose, and Green. Google Pixel 9 in Rose. Google Pixel 9 in Porcelain. Google Pixel 9 in Green. Google Pixel 9 in Obsidian. Google is revamping the camera island design this year. It's adopting an oval shape and won't extend all the way to the frame. Other than that, the Pixel 9 still has only 2 cameras on its back, just like the Pixel 8. The third telephoto lens is reserved for the Pro series. The Pixel 9 is expected to feature a matte frame and a glossy back. According to past rumors, it will upgrade to 12 gigs of RAM and be powered by Google's Tensor G4 SoC. In a major leak, details about the entire Google Pixel 9 series have emerged from the NCC regulatory agency, Taiwan's equivalent of the FCC. This includes new photos, battery sizes, and charging speeds. Among the highlights are the first clear images of the highly anticipated Pixel 9 Pro Fold, revealing its crease and the relocation of the inner selfie camera to the screen's corner. The leak also confirms a new square camera arrangement replacing the Pixel series' signature long camera bar. The most notable reveal is the Pixel 9 Pro Fold, which boasts a slimmer design than the original Pixel Fold, featuring reduced bezels and a less noticeable crease. Additionally, the inner selfie camera has been relocated to the corner of the screen. One of the leaked images shows the phone lying completely flat, indicating that it can be fully opened, unlike the first-generation Fold. Leaks about the Made by Google event continue, with someone recently getting hands-on experience with the Pixel 9 and 9 Pro XL. A TikTok user named Pixiphone via YTechB shared 2 videos showcasing the pre-release hardware. The videos show etchings on the rear panel, which Google uses to identify prototype units, but the presence of the G logo suggests the hardware is nearly finalized. A sticker or label covers the pattern. The comparison reveals that the smaller Pixel 9 has a glossy rear panel, while the 9 Pro XL features a matte finish that is less prone to fingerprints. Interestingly, the flat side rails are reversed between the 2 models, resulting in a shiny perimeter for the Pixel 9 Pro XL, which is quite noticeable and somewhat unfortunate. On these units, the regulatory markings are located on the left edge near the bottom. Pixel phones in the US have lacked these markers for several generations, except for the Pixel Fold. It's unclear if this design is specific to the prototype units, as the etchings also appear on the back, or if it represents the final international look. There is a noticeable size difference between the anticipated 6.24-inch screen on the Pixel 9 and the 6.73-inch screen on the Pixel 9 Pro XL, though it's not too drastic. The Pixel 9 Pro is rumored to have a 6.34-inch screen. A second video compares the Pixel 9 Pro XL to the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, which has a 6.8-inch screen. The shots offer a clear view of the thickness of the camera bar on the Pixel 9 Pro XL.